Hi ACT students. In this video I'm going to show you how to use the My Course Needs tool. This is a super helpful way to know exactly which courses you have taken and completed and which courses you still need to complete. So the best way to get there is to go to your student portal page, and on this home page here you can scroll down and click Course Needs. It's going to look like this when it comes up. So you'll need to make sure to click Recalculate Student Progress and then click on this PDF Advising Worksheet Report. Once you do that, it's going to look like this. And as you can see, this person is in the Graduate Diploma of Christian Studies. Career hours earned is 26, so that just means semester hours or credit hours. Most courses are 3 credit hours. So this person has done 26, so they're almost done this diploma. All these green check marks means that these courses are completed. These are the requirements that are completed. This red X means that they still need to complete this. As you can see, this one is yellow, New Testament Foundations. And that just means that it's in progress. So this person was in progress for New Student Foundations in spring 2022. And once that was completed, this red X would become a green check mark. Once you have all green check marks, then you can graduate from your program. In this specific program, there's 4 free electives that are requirements. And so each program has a different amount that are required electives. So that's something to take note of. As you can see here, there's a transfer credit for this person from Ambrose Seminary. So this person had to do a Alliance History and Thought course as part of their licensing process at a graduate level at Ambrose Seminary. And so that course was able to count for that licensing process, but also count as an elective in this program because it was at a graduate level. So that's a possibility for you. And as you can see down below, there's hours needed and hours earned. So for a graduate diploma, you need 29. Whatever program you're in, their hours needed will be shown right here. And this person has done 26, so they're almost there. There's the GPA. You need 2.5 GPA at least to graduate in most of our programs. And that's all there is to it. If you have any more questions at all, please feel free to reach out to me. I hope this video is helpful to you.